everybody. So today in this video I'm going to be doing a summer kind of products video, I guess. I thought I haven't really done any recommendations or anything recently, so I thought why the hell not do a summer favourites, summer must-haves. She says sitting here in a jumper but it is quite warm today. I'm just eternally in black baggy clothes. Anyway, so yeah, summertime, it can suck, especially now because we have to wear masks and everything. Yeah, I feel like makeup in general has just gone. And obviously the main reason for that is masks. Now, I have tried to tone back my foundation. Like, usually I would wear something along the lines of the Estee Lauder double wear. That does not mix well with masks. It will rub off on your nose. It just looks terrible. And anywhere where my mask touches, like around here. So I have stopped wearing that kind of foundation. Sometimes I just don't wear foundation at all. I will just wear a powder. And if I am going to wear a foundation, I will always wear the Estee Lauder, the Illuminator Radiating Perfecting Primer and Finisher. So this is just a base, which I use, and then I will use either a BB cream or a really light foundation if I am going to use any powder at all. So this is one of the BB creams that I have been using constantly. I love this BB cream. It is thick enough that it gives enough coverage, but it feels really thin. Like, it's a really, really nice consistency. This is the Finish Up BB cream by Secret Key from YesStyle. So if you do want to check out YesStyle, the link is down there. If you use the reward code FoundOnFilm, I think you get a little bit of money off. I'm not 100% sure, but anyway, yeah, this is really good, and it was quite cheap, I believe. Really nice. And if I'm going to use a foundation, I got this literally yesterday and I'm already in love with it, with how it looks on the skin. I love it. It's the number 7 Essentially Natural Foundation. It's so lightweight and feels like skin. Doesn't look cakey, and yeah, it's got SPF 15 in it. It's a lightweight natural finish for all skin types with light to medium coverage. I literally tried this for the first time today and I'm already in love with it. Like, yeah, the camera's not going to do it justice at all, but I just love how it looks. So, thumbs up on that one. Another thing I kind of like doing when it is summer is I will wear a more shiny lip colour. Now, this is one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, lipstick things. And this is the shade Beaming. And this is like, I've got it on my lips now, and it is a really nice kind of shiny, but not shimmery. It's a little bit of a sheen nude lipstick. I got this in a set of like 5 or 6, and they were from TK Maxx, and they were literally $19.99 for all 5. There was 5, and they were all these kind of nude colours. And there was this one as well, which I really liked, which is a lip gloss. So if you wanted, you could mix those two together and get a really nice shade, but I like a nice kind of brighter than normal, because I will usually go for matte lips constantly, and just a little bit of a shine to your lips adds a little bit of something else, so I like it. Another thing that I got from TK Maxx, which I really, really love, is actually this. It's by Becca. This was $12.99, and I know Becca's expensive. I've never really had that many Becca products before, but I saw this for $12.99 and fell in love, and the product itself is gorgeous as well. Like, look at that. It's the Year of the Rat. It's a highlighter. What's it called? Year of the Rat Moonstone. I don't know if Moonstone's the actual colour, but yeah, this is gorgeous. The texture of this is beautiful. I will usually put my foundation or BB cream on, and then I will just sweep a little bit of this over my skin. It's not pigmented enough so that you'll be like, oh, look at that. It's it just adds a little bit of nice dewiness to the skin. You can add it to just your cheeks if you want to. You can put a little bit on the end of your nose. But yeah, this I really, really love. Love it. Onto other things that you can spray on your face and body. I got this free in, like, I bought some stuff from Revolution Beauty and I got like a box full of stuff free, and this was in there, and this is the Glow Revolution Prime Set Glow Illuminating Face and Body Spray. So this you just kind of use as a setting spray. It's very, very shiny. I use this mostly on my arms because I like my tattoos to sparkle, and this has got definite glitter in it. So if you don't like glitter on your face, I would not recommend this, but if you do, then go for this. It's really, really nice. SPF, if you are pale like me, SPF is an absolute must. Now, I've been using this, which I think there was like an offer or something on Facebook where you just had to pay shipping on it, and I'm so glad that I bought this. It is Grüum. I think officially it's a men's skincare brand, but this is an SPF 50 face sunscreen. Now, if you're pale like me, sunscreen is a must, and yeah, SPF 50 is definitely the best. And I like this as well. I feel like SPF sunscreen is really nice as a primer if you have dry skin. It always makes foundation go on a hell of a lot nicer for me. If you don't know what to use as a primer, I really recommend this. This is really, really nice if you have dry skin. I don't know how it'd be if you had oily skin. It might not work as well on that, I don't know. But yeah, that SPF that's specifically for face. Don't be smearing normal sunscreen on your face, because I feel like that could probably break you out. I'm assuming that this has stuff in it that makes it, you know, safer on your face. I haven't got it here now, but I do like using the Hawaiian Tropic SPF 50 Satin Protect, I think it's called. I use that as my everyday sunscreen. It's, oh, the smell. Oh, that smells of summer. That is my ultimate summer smell. And then another thing, when you come home after a hot, warm day at work or whatever, and you want to get all that makeup off and just make your skin feel beautiful and fresh, I love these. These are the Clean It Zero Tri-Peel Acid Pore Clarifying Toner Pads by Vanilla Co. And these are just, as you can see in there, they are little toner pads. Oh, they smell incredible. I love the smell of these. And I use them like after I've taken off my makeup with my regular makeup remover pad. I will just wipe one of these over my face, and it takes off the leftovers, and it just makes your skin feel so fresh and just beaming and lovely and just gorgeous. So I absolutely love these. Again, this is from YesStyle. Last but by no means least, if you are a tattooed person and you really want your tattoos to sparkle and glow in the sun, you could always use the Glow Revolution, or you can get one of these highlighting body oils from Stories and Ink. This is incredible as well. This is for healed skin, so don't be spraying this on your new tattoos. But the smell of this, oh my god. It's so nice. And look at how, you're not going to be able to see it, but it really just makes all of your tattoos pop. You see like how bright this arm is compared to this one now? That's a must for me as well. Again, with the oil, I feel like maybe don't sit out in the sun with it, and if you do, make sure you put some SPF on with it as well, because I don't feel like this has any SPF in it. No, it doesn't. It just makes your tattoos look really nice and glowy and poppy and just gorgeous. And yeah, that's kind of everything for my recommends. I don't know what you'd class it as, but just some things that I enjoy using like over the summer. Just fancied making a video today. I just got my second vaccine earlier and I just fancied making a video. So I have some Killstar items coming, as well as, I got this, by the way. This is another Killstar item that I got fairly recently because it was in the sale and I love it. Killstar at the moment have got buy 4 clearance items, get 40% off. So did I take advantage of that? Hell yeah, I took advantage of that. So when they arrive, I will do a haul. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Pray for me that my vaccine doesn't kick my ass like the first one did. But yeah, that's it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.